Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you an hair growth secret that helps in growing long hair and also in thickening your hair. The first ingredient I'll be using is rice. The amino acid found in rice water helps to support hair regeneration. It also helps to penetrate any damaged hair. It also thickens your hair and strengthens your hair. It makes your hair smooth and detangles your hair. I made use of a tablespoon of my cloves. Cloves help with weak and thin hair. It also helps in keeping your scalp and hair healthy. The anti-inflammatory agent found in cloves helps in thickening your hair. So I poured in my hot water into my jar and I kept it for 8 hours. This is how it looks like the next day. I strained it with my strainer. And I poured the water into my applicator bottle. This can be stored for a week inside your refrigerator. After pouring it into my applicator, this is how it looks like. This treatment is very effective. The next ingredient I got my clove oil that I made. You can check out the link below. I poured in my clove oil. Then I added my leave-in conditioner. This is my first time using this type of leave-in conditioner. So when I poured it into my oil, it was very light, not what I was expecting. So this is not my first time using this method where I pour in my conditioner into my oil. The very first time I used it, I really saw an increase in my hair. Yes, it helped my hair in growing rapidly. So I would advise you use this method too. For application, the first thing I did, I sprayed my treatment on the edges of my hair first before sectioning my hair. After sectioning my hair, I sprayed it on my scalp. I made sure it penetrated into my scalp. After spraying it on my scalp, I spray it on my hair strands because cloves helps in making your hair strand thick, and also rice water helps in making your hair strands thick. So I sprayed it on my hair strand and even the tip of my hair. Then I massaged my hair gently before placing it into a twist. So if at this point you just came across my video for the very first time and you're here to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. On this channel I do natural hair videos where I do DIYs on how to grow our natural hair. So please consider being part of my family and let's go ahead together. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you. So after spraying it all over my hair, I left it for 30 minutes. Then I washed it with my shampoo and conditioner. After washing and conditioning, the next thing I did was to moisturize my hair with my treatment that I just made. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.